Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're here to talk about the Galaxy S25 Ultra camera, designed to supercharge you with new ways to capture, create, and edit. I can't wait to show you the camera and enhanced AI in action. So let's get going.
Hey, is this the new S25 Ultra? We heard the cameras are amazing.
Yeah, how did they get better?
Well, the cameras on the Galaxy have always been incredible, but the cameras on the S25 Ultra go beyond anything Galaxy has made before. Let's start with the lenses. It has an all-new 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, along with telephoto lens. And it still has the 200 megapixel wide lens everyone loved. And it's all powered by the next-gen Pro Visual Engine and enhanced AI. So you can take more natural portraits and clearer nightography than ever.
Whoa, that sounds impressive. But I don't really speak camera.
Sorry, I nerd out sometimes. Basically, with all these great lenses in your pocket, plus enhanced new ways to shoot and edit, you can capture every detail like a pro. Better photos and videos, day and night.
Oh, perfect.
Want to see for yourselves?
Can we?
Sure. Let's go outside and check it out. All right. To get the look you want, let's turn on portrait mode. Just start by going to the camera and tap there.
Oh, stand over there. Yeah, background's perfect.
See how Galaxy AI helps you take the best portraits? S25 Ultra automatically adjusts skin tone and shows details accurately in any lighting, even if you're backlit.
Come see this. Even with the sun behind you, these look amazing.
I love them.
Wow, these shots already look great. But if you want to make any tweaks or give your photo a different look, there's an editing feature that makes it all super easy. Want to try?
Yeah. All right, okay, your turn. You go over there.
S25 lets you create your own custom filters from photos you love and apply them right to the shot you're taking now. First, open the camera app, then tap filter. Your gallery will open below the camera screen. Select the image with the style you like, and Galaxy AI will apply the same tone, saturation, and contrast to the image you're taking now. Then you can fine-tune it to get the look just right, so every shot becomes post-worthy.
This is next level. Wait, this means all of my photos will have the same style that I like?
Exactly.
Oh, didn't you say we could take great night videos too?
Definitely. Galaxy has always been known for stunning nightography, but this year there's new upgrades to the night video that let you capture with less noise and more clarity. Let's put our camera on video and hit record.
Look how clear this looks.
Oh yeah, the colors really pop.
Nice, right? It makes the night scenes you capture look more like the night scenes you see. Look how it fills in the highlights and details in the shadows.
Seems it picks up the audio well too.
Yeah,
It's too bad about the noise.
it's too bad.
That's an easy fix. S25 doesn't just have improved video performance, it also has improved editing. Here, let's erase that pesky noise
And how does that work?
with a new feature called Audio Eraser. It's a game changer for editing on the go. Choose the video you want to edit, press the AI icon at the bottom, and select the noise button. Then adjust the levels until the audio sounds just right.
Well, I don't even think we need a mic anymore.
Or laptop for editing.
Right? It's one of those features you never knew you needed, but once you have it, it's hard to live without. You can customize and remove 6 types of audio. Voices, music, crowds, nature, winds, and noise with a fine level of precision.
I can't wait to see what we can create with this.
I'm glad you love it, but there's so much more to try. Let's go back inside so we can see what else the S25 has to offer. There you have it. Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers Galaxy's best camera performance ever for stunning shots day and night and smoother edits right on your phone. Come and experience it for yourself at your nearest Samsung store. I'll see you again on the next demo with Samsung and Galaxy AI.